Hey guys, and welcome to Techy Taca.
Fall Guys is a game that requires no introduction. A game that rose to popularity throughout the course of 2020 during the COVID 19 pandemic. The game mesmerized people with its simplicity and the fun it guarantees, bagging tons of awards while at it too. The game features a battle royale like gameplay where up to 60 players can join a lobby as jelly beans and battle it out to be the last person, or should I say bean, standing. The bean who reaches a finish first after surviving all rounds gets awarded a crown. These crowns act as in game currencies with which the player can buy skins for the bean. A major drawback is that this very popular and addictive game is available only for PC users, along with those who own a gaming console. It has been rumored that a mobile version of the game is on the works, but until then, we have a game for you that features a similar gameplay. Stumble Guys Multiplayer Royale is a free-to-play game available on the Play Store developed by Techy Taca Games, heavily inspired from the OG Fall Guys. With over 10 million downloads, it is definitely a game to try out. Here too, the game features a battle royale-like gameplay with up to 32 players in the lobby at the start. The 32 then go through 3 levels, with the first 2 levels eliminating half of the players. This effectively means that of the 32 that enter the first level, only 16 qualify to the second, of which 8 qualify for the final level. In the last level, the player who finishes first wins the game and gets awarded a crown. The maps across the levels are selected at random from a large set of maps, with each one posing different obstacles and challenges. The crowns you win cannot be used to buy anything as of now, with items in the shop available only in exchange for real money or gems. Apart from the crowns which you only get when you finish first, you also get awarded trophies, stars, and XP based on which level you get eliminated in. The crowns and trophies count towards a leaderboard, while the stars are used to make progress in the Stumble Pass, where you can unlock new skins and emotes as you progress. There are also tournaments that are in early access right now and can be played by joining the Discord server, which has over 168,000 members. They are expected to be made available to everyone in the updates that the developers will be rolling out soon, making the game more interesting and competitive. Till then, you can create a party and play with your friends in a separate room. Overall, Stumble Guys is a very fun game, has colorful visuals, a peppy background tune, and a fun gameplay. It does get a little monotonic after a few tries, but the game is still in the works and many more additions are expected from the developers in the near future. So, until Fall Guys actually makes it to the Android space, Stumble Guys is definitely a game to try out with friends. It's fun, it's fast, and it could either get you to enjoy it a lot or throw your device away in frustration. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time, peace out.